Once conditioned, the soybeans are flaked using roller mills. Flaking increases the surface area of the beans. Following cooking, the flakes are pressed in screw presses to extract a significant portion of the oil mechanically. This step produces crude soybean oil and a solid residue known as soybean meal, which is rich in protein and used primarily as animal feed. For higher oil use, the remaining solids are subjected to solvent extraction, typically using hexane. This chemical process extracts the residual oil. The crude oil obtained from pressing and solvent extraction is then refined to remove impurities such as gums, waxes, and pigments. This involves degumming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization processes. Each stage contributes to enhancing the clarity, stability, and taste of the oil. Finally, throughout this process, the principles of mechanical force, thermal treatment,